How to disallow or turn off notification about people you may know on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to turn off this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it, and then when you open your TikTok, you will just go here on your profile, open it, and then when you open your profile, go to this three line here, then go to settings and privacy, click on it and open it, then go to notifications and again open it, and then go down to people you may know. And now you have to turn off this option by clicking here on this place and make it look like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.